Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're answering a question that many people ask about Islam. If Muslims reject idol worship, why do they pray toward a square building called the Kaaba? At first glance, this may seem confusing. If Islam teaches worship of Allah alone, why do Muslims face the Kaaba every day? Let's find out. The first thing to understand is that Muslims do not worship the Kaaba. The Kaaba is simply the direction of prayer, known as the Qiblah. When Muslims pray, they direct their bodies toward the Kaaba, but their hearts, minds, and worship are directed to Allah alone. Think about it this way. In many activities, people face a common direction or focal point for the sake of unity and organization. Similarly, Islam gives Muslims one direction for prayer so that millions of believers around the world worship together in a unified manner. Whether a Muslim is praying in Malaysia, Indonesia, Turkey, South Africa, or the United States, they all face the same direction. This symbolizes unity among Muslims worldwide. But what exactly is the Kaaba? According to Islamic tradition, the Kaaba was built by Prophet Ibrahim, known as Abraham, and his son Prophet Ismail, or Ishmael, by the command of Allah. It was established as a house dedicated to the worship of the one true God. Over time, however, people abandoned pure monotheism and filled the Kaaba with idols. Before the coming of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, there were hundreds of idols placed around and inside the Kaaba. When Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, restored the worship of Allah alone, these idols were removed and the Kaaba returned to its original purpose as a symbol of monotheism. During Hajj and Umrah, Muslims also walk around the Kaaba in a ritual known as tawaf. This does not mean they worship the building. Rather, it symbolizes unity, devotion, and the central role that worship of Allah should have in a Muslim's life. Perhaps the most important point is this. Even when Muslims stand directly in front of the Kaaba, they are not worshiping it. Their prayers, hopes, and devotion are directed only to Allah. The Kaaba is a direction. Allah is the one who is worshipped. So, if Islam opposes idol worship, why do Muslims pray toward the Kaaba? Because the Kaaba is not an idol. It is a symbol of unity and a direction of prayer established by Allah for His worship. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content explaining Islam in a simple and clear way. May Allah increase us in knowledge and guidance. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.